Assalamu alaikum, dear friends. Welcome to my channel. There is a spelling bee competition in our school, so we have been given the task of decorating it. Oh, I forgot to mention the name of my school. The Lighthouse School System, Dagai Campus, Swabi. First, I brought various types of charts from the storeroom. Then, with the help of Miss mᎬoꪜw, she got to work. First, we got red-made cut grass from the store, made by Miss mᎬoꪜw. Made a tree from brown, flowers from pink, red and orange. Make flies from yellow chart paper. I covered the arc with purple kite paper and attached white thread here and there so that I could hang flies on it. Flowers, leaves and bees were attached with the help of glue and stapler. It was looking a bit dull, so I completed the arch by adding yellow balloons. Now tell me how you think the decoration is good or not. At first, I was working hard, but I was dying from exhaustion. But what can we, the employees of a private school, do?